The district attorney says he is surprised and disappointed by this result, but he also respects the grand jury's decision and time. APD officer Christopher Taylor was accused of shooting and killing Mike Ramos in 2020. During the first trial, the defense's motion for a mistrial was granted due to problems during the jury selection process. When the case went back to court late last year, the jury couldn't agree whether to convict or acquit, so that trial ended with a hung jury. The DA's office just presented the case again to a grand jury to consider murder and other potential charges, but the jury returned a no true bill for all charges.
I am slightly surprised that the aggravated assault or something like that didn't get picked up. I'm surprised that they didn't see something wrong with what happened with the, Christopher Taylor, Mike Ramos incident.
Chaz Moore with the Austin Justice Coalition says this shows Austin has a long way to go in holding police accountable through the legal system.
There seems to be no sympathy for the victims. It's all about trying to understand the cops, perspective and the cops' point of view, which leads to, non-convictions and no bills like we see today.
This afternoon, the attorneys for APD officer Christopher Taylor released a statement saying the DA is just trying to avoid another embarrassing defeat involving a trial against a law enforcement officer. They say he presented the second grand jury with facts designed to obtain a no bill and now is blaming the second grand jury for why he must dismiss the indictment issued by the first grand jury. We reached out to Mike Ramos's mother and cousin for reaction to today's decision. And while both say they're disappointed, neither is ready for an on-camera interview. Betty Cross, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.